Hello there, this is Armand from PennyWise POS, and I am going to go over a quick demo for you of the My Free POS software. This demo covers the registered version of the software. First, you've got your clock in and out buttons, which lets you clock in and clock out your employees. Employees can clock in to one of up to 5 different job functions. For example, they can clock in as a server, busser, kitchen, and each of those different job functions can have their own pay rate assigned. Here you've got your cash function keys. These allow you to lock a specific station to a specific cashier so that you can have proper cash accountability. Here you have your gift certificate and gift card function screen. The system lets you store gift cards locally, and these cards can be loaded with any amounts you want. These cards can be reused, purged. It's got many different options here regarding gift cards. Gift cards also have a dual purpose function of also being loyalty cards. The system does have a loyalty card function where these cards can basically accumulate points based on a specific dollar amount that you specify, and these points would then automatically transfer into money on the card, which the customers can then use toward purchases. First thing we're going to demo here is your basic quick sale, which would be used at any fast food type or counter service environment. We're going to click order, and here you've got your main screen here. This is your main categories menu. We're going to click on food, ring in a hamburger, hit modifiers, no ketchup, extra mayonnaise. We're going to go there. I'll charge them 25 cents also. Then we click categories to go back to our main screen, hit beverages, and I'll ring up coffee and a soda. If I hit modifiers here, as you can see we have a different set of modifiers. Okay, each category can have its own modifiers, or several categories can share modifiers with others. We also have another kind of modifier here called a force modifier. I'm going to ring up a salad. Automatically will pop up asking what kind of dressing we want. So I'm going to click Italian, and I'm going to add grilled chicken. As you can see, you got salad, Italian, add grilled chicken. You also have these keys over here on the side. These are called quick keys. They are a quick link to any items that are already in your system. They make it easy to ring up items that you ring up frequently. Here we got a recipe button. This is mostly used in bars. It just pulls up a text file that's configurable in your back office, and this basically just shows your bartenders how to make different kind of drinks. In a quick serve environment, you could also use this to detail what's in your different products. For example, if you have a turkey sandwich, you could here put turkey sandwich includes turkey, lettuce, tomatoes, mustard, onions. That way the customer can say, okay, I don't want mustard, or I don't want onions. We're going to go ahead and pay this out. A prep ticket would have printed at that point. We're going to cash it in at $20, and that's closed out. And that's your basic quick sale. Here we're going to go to table service now by clicking on the table order button. This could bring up either a generic list of tables like we have here, or you can customize this with your own layout. The interface here is very similar, except you have a lot more options here. Here you also have a splits function, which lets you split the check. A check can be split up to 44 ways. You also have the option of transferring things between different servers, between different tables, in and out of different modules of the software as well. And that's table service. Then we got carry out and delivery. We hit new, hit look up. We'll put in a phone number. If the person's phone number is currently in the system, it'll pull up their information for you. If not, you could put their information in there. Show maps will take you to Google Maps, and you can print out a map to that address, although most places just use GPSs these days. Begin order. We're going to select this as a carry-out order. And again, the interface that we're used to comes up here. We're going to ring in the order, and we're going to leave it open, close it later. Go back into carry out delivery. there's the order, and you can either add to this order, or pay it out, change it, do whatever you want to do. Now we're going to do another one. And this time we're going to say that it's a delivery. As you can see now in our screen, shows all of our open orders. This is a carryout order, this is a delivery order. Once you're ready for this delivery order, for example, to go out, you can click on it, assign the driver, and shows that this has been assigned to a specific driver. You also have a tab function over here, which lets you open up bar tabs. This works very similar to the carryout and deliveries in that you just put some kind of identifier here. And now that's available to be added to or changed or paid out from a list that any of your bartenders can access. You can use any identifier for a tab that you want, whether it's the person's name, a bar stool number, or last four digits of a credit card. It's really up to you. So those are all the basic functionalities regarding selling. Here we also have a message board. Here you could put your daily specials or any other announcements to the staff. This is also where if you purchase a separate pager system that you want to integrate with the software, this is where you would find the interface to use that to, for example, page a customer to let them know when their table's ready. You also have a calculator over here. Down here we have the manager menu. From this manager menu you can access your daily reports, which can go either to the screen or to your receipt printer. And then here you have your manager functions. These reports are only your daily reports for the current business day. If you want to access your reports for a previous business day, we would click Office Reports. And then this brings up the back office module. And here you've got all of your different other reports as well. And this is where you would go to print out reports for a previous business day or a previous week, any time period that you specify. You can run reports by different categories, different employees. You've got many different options over here. And those are all the basics of the software. Obviously the software has a lot of functionality that we can't go over right now, but this gives you a good taste of exactly what the software can do. If you have any questions, feel free to give me an email at support@pennywisepos.com, or you can always visit our website at www.pennywisepos.com. Thank you very much.